welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into some fantastic tips on how you can save money on pet care without compromising on quality. Remember, a calm and balanced life starts with you, the pack leader. We'll be covering everything from affordable food and supplies to DIY toys and grooming, all the way to essential preventive care. So let's learn how to give your furry friends the best life possible without breaking the bank. You know, a lot of people think that providing good food for their dogs means spending a fortune. But let me tell you, that's simply not true. It's about understanding what your dog truly needs. Just like humans, dogs need balanced nutrition, a healthy mix of protein, carbohydrates, and fats. But the expensive brands? They often load their products with fillers and additives that your dog doesn't need. Start by researching reputable, budget-friendly dog food brands. Look for options that prioritize quality ingredients without the hefty price tag. And don't be afraid to compare ingredients and guaranteed analysis on labels. You'd be surprised at the affordable gems you can find. Remember, a gradual transition is key when changing your dog's food. Start by mixing a small amount of the new food with their current food, gradually increasing the ratio over a week or so. This will help prevent any digestive upset and allow your furry friend to adjust to the new taste and texture. And hey, sometimes the best things in life are homemade, right? Don't underestimate the power of simple, home-cooked meals for your dog. A little bit of boiled chicken, rice, and some dog-friendly veggies can go a long way. Just make sure to consult your vet for a balanced recipe. When it comes to treats, forget the fancy, overpriced options. You know what makes a fantastic and affordable treat? Pieces of carrots, apples without the seeds, or even plain cooked sweet potato. These are healthy, delicious, and your dog will love them just as much, if not more. Remember, feeding your dog isn't about emptying your wallet. It's about providing nourishment and building a strong bond through healthy habits. Let's talk about toys, because every dog deserves a little fun, right? But there's no need to spend a fortune at the pet store. You know what my dogs love? An old sock tied in a knot. It's all about their instincts. Get creative with household items. An old t-shirt can be turned into a tug toy, or an empty plastic bottle, with the cap removed of course, can provide hours of entertainment. Remember to supervise your dog with any DIY toy, and remove any loose parts they might try to chew on. Grooming is another area where you can save big. Regular brushing is essential for a healthy coat and can be done easily at home. You don't need fancy brushes. A simple slicker brush or even a damp washcloth can work wonders. Bathing can be done at home too. No need for expensive trips to the groomer every time. A hose in the backyard, a bucket of lukewarm water, and some dog-specific shampoo are all you need. Just remember to rinse thoroughly and avoid getting water in their ears. Nail trims can be intimidating, but with a little practice you can save money by doing it yourself. Use a clipper designed for dogs and trim just the tip of the nail, avoiding the quick, the pink part where blood vessels are. If you're unsure, ask your vet to show you the correct technique. Remember, taking care of your dog should be a joyful experience, and these DIY solutions not only save you money but also strengthen the bond between you and your furry companion. Let's talk about something truly important: preventive care. You see, many expensive vet visits can be avoided by simply being proactive about your dog's health. It's like maintaining a car. Regular checkups prevent bigger problems down the road. First and foremost, make sure your dog is up to date on all vaccinations. Vaccinations protect your dog from serious and often deadly diseases. Talk to your vet about a vaccination schedule that's right for your dog's age and lifestyle. Parasite prevention is crucial. Fleas, ticks, and heartworms can cause a whole host of health issues and can be costly to treat. Invest in monthly preventive medications recommended by your vet. Trust me, it's far cheaper than treating an infestation or infection later on. Dental care is often overlooked but is so important. Just like humans, dogs can develop dental disease, which can lead to serious health issues. Brush your dog's teeth regularly using a dog-specific toothpaste and toothbrush. Dental chews and toys can also help maintain good oral hygiene. Regular exercise and mental stimulation are key to a healthy and happy dog, and they don't cost a dime. Daily walks, playtime in the park, or even a good game of fetch in the backyard all contribute to their physical and mental well-being. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. By focusing on preventive care, you not only ensure a longer, healthier life for your furry friend, but also save yourself from potential financial stress down the line. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Remember, taking care of your dog doesn't have to break the bank. By making smart choices and prioritizing their well-being, you can build a strong, happy, and healthy pack without emptying your wallet. See you next time.